Dear students and all the viewers, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Global Classroom. The curriculum development or curriculum studies is a subject which is compulsory at B.Ed, M.Ed or D.El.Ed level, or such integrated courses, that is 4-year B.Ed programs and distance mode B.Ed program and BA or MA education, many more. Today the topic of discussion is meaning and definitions of curriculum. That is, one question is meaning of curriculum and second question is definitions of curriculum. Curriculum originates from the Latin word CURRERA, which means to run. Etymologically, curriculum means a chariot course, a kind of route or path over which the learner travels. Thus, curriculum is the path or way by which one realizes the goals and objectives of a particular course. It means a course to be run for reaching a certain goal. All the experiences that are provided to learners in order to bring about desirable changes in their behavior and mental set is technically known as curriculum. These experiences may consist of a part of knowledge, skills or values. They are predetermined in order to guide the teacher not to deviate from his or her line of action. In other words, curriculum acts as a pivot in organizing educational effort on some manageable basis and is undoubtedly the heart of the school or institutions and all that goes with it. According to traditional concept, curriculum means the academic lessons or syllabus of a subject that is to be covered in the classroom. In modern concept, it is much more than mere subject matter. It is not merely the courses of study, but is the totality of experience that pupils receive through the manifold activities such as library, laboratory, workshop and playground. It can also be called as the planned action of instructions. In the pedagogy of biological science, curriculum is the totality of experiences of a student, and the experiences of each student are different from others. So the curriculum of biology, or maybe more subject physics, chemistry, literature, will be different for each student in the school. It is therefore very essential to frame a suitable subject-based curriculum which should be conformity with the aims and objectives of teaching of biological sciences or physical sciences or many other subjects, and of education in our democracy. Dear students and viewers, now I am going to enlighten some definitions of curriculum. The concept of curriculum can be made clear by the following or upcoming definitions given by different educationalists and experts in this area, such as Donald J. Cunningham. Very famous definitions. Curriculum is a tool in the hands of the artist, that is the teacher, to mold his or her material, the pupil or learner, that is the student, according to his ideal, that is objectives of education, in his or her studio, that is the school or institutions. Alexander and Saylor defines curriculum. It is the total effort of the school to bring about desired outcomes in and out of school situations or institutional situations. Another educationist, C. Ronald, defines curriculum includes all the learning experiences offered to all the learners under the direction of the school or institutions. Brown Fraser defines the curriculum: all the learning experiences which are planned and guided by the school is called curriculum. Very famous curriculum expert or educationist Hilda Taba defines curriculum usually consisting of a statement of aims and objectives, indicate the selection and organization of content. It either implies or manifests certain patterns of learning and teaching because the objectives demand or because the content organization require. It includes a program of evaluation of the outcomes. In Indian perspectives, according to Secondary Education Commission 1952-53, that is popularly known as Mudaliar Commission, defines curriculum is the totality of experiences that pupils, students, receive through the manifold activities that go on in the school, in the classroom, library, laboratory, workshop, playground, and numerous informal contacts between teachers and pupils, that is students. Another definition according to Arthur W. Fauché 1969 defines curriculum in his words: all the experiences that learner has undertaken in the guidance of the school. Tanner and Tanner 1975 defines curriculum: the planned and guided learning experiences and intended learning outcomes formulated through the systematic reconstruction of knowledge and experience under the auspices of the school for the learners' continuous and willful growth in personal social competence. According to David Jenkins and Martin D. Shipman 1976, a curriculum is the formulation and implementation of an educational proposal to be taught and learned within a school or other institutions, and for which that institution accepts responsibility at three levels: its rational, its actual implementation, and its effects. Very famous Indian educationists Khaja Ghulamus Sayyidain, popularly known as KG Sayyidain, defines curriculum is primarily an aid in the process of adjusting an individual to the environment in which he functions from day to day and the wider environment in which he or she will have to organize his activities later. One another definition comes from English and Anderson, 2005. Curriculum as the whole of the interacting forces of the total environment provided for pupils by the school and the pupils' experience in that environment. Dear listeners and viewers and dear students, these definitions of curriculum reflect that the curriculum is really the entire program of the school's or institution's work. It is the essential means of teaching and learning activities. It is everything that the students and their teachers do. Thus, it is twofold in nature, being made up by the activities, the things done, and of the materials which they are done. In the pedagogy of biological sciences, physical sciences, and other subjects, curriculum is a continuous process which includes theoretical classes, practical works, science library, science club, science exhibition, science museum, and community resources. These all socio-cultural and academic activities are organized by the school and teachers. Thus, it can be said that a well-conceived and well-designed curriculum has a strategic role to play in achieving the objectives of the education. It aims at developing the physical, intellectual, emotional, social, and moral attitudes which distinguish an educated person from others. It is the sum total of all the means employed in the school to develop the personality of the pupils or students. Dear students, I think it is very useful to you. Curriculum basics, meaning and definitions. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Continuously you all are supported. I thankful to you, all the viewers and dear students. Please, you all subscribe my YouTube channel, like my video, and share in your groups and your neighborhoods. Thank you so much for watching my video.